Welcome back to Combat Chronicles. This is day 26, episode 26. And if, like always, if you're just getting here for the first time, I recommend that you go back to the first video and start there. That way you can do the full 365-day circuit with the rest of us. And I'll leave the link right here. That being said, we'll go ahead and get right into it with a jab, hook low, rear hook high. That's just gonna look like this. Jab, hook low, rear hook high. Jab, hook low. I already messed it up. Jab, hook low, rear hook high. Alright. Well, we're all done with the demonstration. Let's go ahead and get started. Geez, this thing just does not lose battery power at all. I have not charged it once since starting these. Jab, hook, hook. Jab, hook low, rear hook high. Jab, hook low, rear hook high. Alright, 3 minutes is up. Next combination is going to be a jab, rear hook, cross. This ought to be fun. So, it's going to look like this. Jab, rear hook, cross. Okay, one more time. Jab, rear hook, cross. Once more. Jab, rear hook, cross. Alright, I'm going to make sure to take the rest of this 25 seconds off with you so I can catch my breath. Already having a lot of fun. That last round felt really short. Let's do it. Nice. Hi, Coda. All right, on to the next. It's going to be a jab, hook, cross, hook. All high. It's going to look like this. Jab, all right, jab, hook, cross, hook. All right, jab, hook, cross, hook. Jab, hook, cross, hook. One more time. Jab, hook, cross, hook. All right. About 25 seconds, we get started. I'm just going to take a quick breather. Relax a second. And we'll get right back into it. The sound is my dog's roughhousing. You've only seen Coda, but you haven't seen Nala. Alright, let's go. Jab, hook, cross, hook. Jab, hook, cross, hook. Jab, hook, cross, hook. Jab, hook, cross, hook. Alright. All right, nice. Well, that does it for episode 26. As always, it was nice seeing y'all, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.